Hey there guys, this is Faye from Coffee Postal. In this video, allow me to share to you why after a year of having small cafe kiosks, we started this year the mobile cafe version. As a coffee business mentor, a lot come to me for cafe business advice and also are interested in franchising Coffee Postal and bringing affordable freshly brewed coffee to their area. However, one common problem that we discussed that stopped them from starting is number one, money or budget for capital. It really takes a lot of money for construction, renovation, plus the furniture, fixtures, and equipment needed for a physical store cafe. Like for example, aircon pa lang, mahal na. That is why I thought of something na tipid to start with. That's our Coffee Postal Express, our mobile cafe version. For as low as 175,000, you already have a ready-to-operate, ready-to-roll cafe with e-bike or motor. Functional setup pa siya with sink cabinets and lights. If you are in Cebu, we've been rolling our first express around Talamban. Sana makasulay mo sa among drinks. We've also been getting queries if we can bring the mobile cafe to their area. So we're looking for partners who can operate Coffee Postal Express in every barangay and municipality. Tara, magnegosyo na ta, gidagbay lang sa pero kanunay ang pagpaning kamot.